Welcome back, guys. My iPhone 12 recently met the situation that won't turn on. So I check it out thoroughly, and I discover 3 different ways to try it on. If you have the same issue, let's go try it together. But first, we need to make sure that iPhone 12 won't turn on is not caused by the hardware issue. We need to charge it for around 20 minutes. Ensure that it has sufficient power available. First method, forcefully restart your iPhone. It could simply be an iOS system crash, so try force restarting your iPhone to resolve the issue. Press volume up and quickly press volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait until the Apple logo appears. If the force restart is not working, you can follow the next method. Method 2. Repair with iTunes. To successfully use this method, you must first place your iPhone 12 into recovery mode. To enter recovery mode, you need to connect your iPhone to iTunes. Then, do the same thing that used to force restart iPhone, but this time hold a little longer. Keep holding till the support interfaces show up. If you discover that your iPhone screen displays nothing at all, don't worry too much. Simply check out iTunes for help. If iTunes pops up a window like this, then your iPhone is already in recovery mode. Click Update, then it will start downloading the firmware that is needed. Since it will take a considerable amount of time, I will skip it. When the download is finished, it will start the update process. You just need to wait for the process to complete, as it will take some time. Then, you can see my iPhone 12 is back to its normal state again. If this not working, it might be your iPhone system have some serious issue, so try the next method. Using method 3, you can repair with Tenorshare ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a comprehensive iOS system repair tool. It can fix more than 150 plus iOS system issues. Please check the download link provided in the description and download it. Once installed, connect your iPhone 12 to a PC or Mac and open ReiBoot. If ReiBoot didn't detect your iPhone 12, you will need to put it in recovery mode first. Click the green Start button and choose the standard repair option. Here will require download firmware to repair your iPhone 12. Click it. The download process will take some time, depending on your network condition. When the download is finished, click the Start Standard Repair option. It will begin to repair your iPhone 12 won't turn on issue. Be patient. Keep your iPhone connected during the process. Then it is done. You can see my iPhone is already turned on normally and all my data is still there. It is very easy. Go give it a try. That's it. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you subscribe, I will be grateful. Thanks for watching.